swearing. Then he found them in the water.
Yes, he starts making a story.
And right.
Yeah, that's a penguin. Making his own. Saka is making his own story. Right, Zach?
Trying to look for his baby.
Yes.
They trying to look his own dad and mommy in the water. What they're dumping the rain.
Okay. It's Holly listening. Hey, Holly. Are you listening? Holly.
He trying out a big belly for his baby.
Oh, wow. That's a good story. Yes,
That's a
that's a
big
big belly. Yeah, it is a big belly. Okay, I'll move Holly
He
here.
trying
Okay, move Holly here. Let me see.
to do. There's a big belly in his belly.
Yes.
Then he trying to look for his parents.
Oh.
Oh, so he found them.
Wow.
One of my dad tossed to the up there on the line.
Gumagawa siya ng sarili niya ng story.
He wanted to go up the hill.
Wow, well done. Let me see. Can I have a look patingin?
But
Oh, Kuya is telling you a story. Do you like the story? Gusto mo yung kwento ng Kuya Saki? Yes, okay. Opo. Say, opo, Mommy. Opo. Opo. Okay.
he go up the line, then he go on the hill, then he lie down on the tan tosser, then he go put the flag up.
All right. Okay.
Then he planned to go up the hill, then someone wanted it up.
Oh, someone wants to get up. Did the penguin went up?
Yes.
Okay.
Then he planned look. He got all his parents.
Oh.
Then his baby found it out, so he planned that in the doctor. Look, he planned to come out. The baby.
Oh, okay. They're going to the doctor.
When he thought it coming out by itself.
Oh, it's coming up by itself.
So he
Ano ba yung
whacked.
story niyo, ha?
Then he behind the wheel to his baby.
Hoy, Holly,
He
don't
was wearing what his
Yucky,
baby
ah.
was.
Hoy, Yaki, listen to Kuya.
I'm not to you.
Kuya Zachary. Ayaw niya ng Kuya. Gusto niya may Kuya
Then he
Zachary.
put a look for his mouth.
Okay.
The baby found where his baby is.
Oh, where's the baby? The baby is where? Where's the baby?
In his belly.
Oh, it's in his
So he
belly.
tried- He can't come out.
Oh, it won't come out.
So he needs to go to the doctor.
Oh, he needs to go to the doctor.
Then the bed then
She, because I think she, is it she or he? Is it a mama or a papa?
mama.
A mama. Oh, so she. Where's your little sister? Okay. Holly, listen to Kuya Zach.
This little one. Try the baby come out.
Oh, did the baby come out?
No, can't see the baby.
Oh, you can see the baby. How about you, baby? I can see you here, baby.
But how do you get your baby out? Oh, in the doctor.
Tinatanong ako ni Sak, paano ko linabas yung baby ko? My God, paano ko yan?
Baby, who's my best friend?
Yeah, you are my best friend.
You're my
Who is your best friend, Zach?
Hunter.
Hunter? I said Kuya.
Then TJ too,
Who?
then Hunter,
Who?
then TJ, then Hunter.
Yes. Yeah. Ay!
Prime, the push, then the one the really high he turned. So he turned it down little, he turned the really up the top.
Okay, pang ilang books mo na yan, Zach? Pangatlo mo na ata yan.
Prime have a picnic,
Okay.
then he wanted to look for, he built a top hay.
Alright.
Then he put have a big little teddies. Then
Okay.
he party was he got jelly. Then he needed his jelly what he ate.
Okay. Wow, yeah, you're right. They have a party. Oh, cover your mouth.
Then he have a party. Then he died. He went away. He put had done better. Put done not. He two them is big stick.
Okay. Binabasahan kayo ni Sak na story. Okay, what else, Sak?
Then
Hey, little girl. Holly.
Prawn, the man doesn't put ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake.
Look,
Oh,
no
okay.
ice cream maybe. He put the ice cream, then he put sprinkle. Put blueberry, then he put chocolate.
Okay.
Oh, I want to read the honey. He put it on the tent, then he wanted to go to sleep. The tent?
Okay.
They
Yeah.
put a
She went to bed.
monster.
Oh, there's a monster.
Look,
Oh, I'm scared.
that's like a cat.
That's a black cat.
He'll play on me. Last one. Me and best friends.
Minion's best friend. Okay.
Huh? Ali! Ali! Dinosaur. Look! E is for elephant. Oh, that is for frog. G is Hey, why is it like that, Baba? Wait, Baba! Stop! Yeah, Gigi. Mom, how is that? F. This is F. H. G is for... Ali, touch! Touch, Ali! Touch! Touch! Actually, what this is for the wall. H is for horse. I don't know horse only. Just the one. I is for piranha. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Koala.
Koala. K.
K
Very good.